In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free flyer and poster in Canva. Whether you're planning an event, promoting a cause, or simply looking to design something eye-catching, Canva is a fantastic tool that lets you create professional quality designs without spending a dime. It's user-friendly, packed with features, and perfect for beginners and pros alike. And the best part, you can do it all online, no software downloads needed. So let's jump right in and get started. First, head over to Canva's official website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you can sign up for free. It's quick and easy, and if you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to register and follow along. Once you're logged in, look for the Create a Design button at the top of the homepage. Now, depending on updates to Canva's layout, this button might be labeled slightly differently, but it will always be located at the top of the page. Go ahead and click it. This will open a search bar where you can type in poster from the results. Select the poster option. Choosing this sets the canvas to the optimal size for standard poster dimensions, so you won't have to worry about resizing later. Next, you'll see a list of poster templates displayed on the left side of your screen. Take a moment to browse through them. You'll notice that some templates have a small crown or $ icon. These indicate premium designs that require a paid subscription. So if you're sticking to free options, simply skip those and focus on the templates without these icons. There are plenty of beautiful free designs to choose from. Once you find a template that fits the style you're going for, click on it. This will load the template directly onto your workspace, and from here you can start customizing it to make it your own. Canva makes it super simple to edit. Just click on any text box to type in your event details. You can adjust the fonts, change the colors, or even resize elements to better fit your vision. Feel free to experiment. If you don't like something you've changed, the undo button is your best friend. Oh, and don't worry about saving constantly. Canva auto-saves your progress as you work, so you can focus entirely on the creative process. Once you've finalized your design, it's time to prepare it for printing or sharing online. Canva gives you the flexibility to download your poster in high resolution, making it perfect for physical prints or to share it digitally across social media or email. This way, you're not just creating something beautiful, you're also ensuring it's ready to reach your audience in the best possible format. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a free flyer or poster in Canva. Step by step, with just a few clicks, you can design something that looks polished and professional without needing any prior design experience. If you have any questions or want to share what you've created, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.